Let's see how to put a pad in Otterbox Defender Pro case. In the first step, unbox the Otterbox Defender Pro. Now, remove each piece from inside. Later, lay them neatly on a table. In the next step, find the small clips on the shell. Now, release them one by one. Now, take apart the front and back sections. In the next step, position the iPad inside the inner cover. Next, push it gently into place. Later, make sure all sides fit properly. In the next step, attach the front cover tightly. Next, snap each clip securely. Later, double-check the positioning. In the next step, fit a rubber layer over everything. After that, press along all edges to secure it. Then make sure it is completely covered. You are good to go.